According to Merriam-Webster, nature is defined as the external world in its entirety. That's right, its entirety. As a kid, I loved winters. Sand sculptures, beaches, safari parks, and the occasional ice cream when it was a little too hot. But that's only part of the story. This is also winter, but in Europe. I mean, look at these guys. Which looks way too cold and uncomfortable. But the fear of the cold ends today. So now 15 years later, I'm ready to conquer my fear of the Nordic nature. God, there it is. The island. I really thought it was a good idea to just get an inflatable boat and sail out there, but I could see I was underprepared compared to this guy. And this guy. And the most important of all, what time it is now? Oh my god. Okay, I'm in a boat. It feels like it's tipping, but it's not, everything's good. Everything's good. All right, got everything. Now we're going out to the island. I am so wet and I'm turning and there's some competitive guys coming towards me. Should be relaxing, but I have to set up tent in like 15 minutes or else it gets dark. And I need to get past these guys. Oh my god. Well done. I can almost feel the island. I don't know if you can actually stay on the island. So I guess I'll find out in, let's say, 5 minutes. We're getting close to the island. Oh my god. The wind? How close we are. Oh my god. I'm turning. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Oh. Okay. I made it to the island. But, yeah. Oh, that was that's why you need peers. Ta-da! A tent! But my mood quickly changed. Oh gosh, the geese are coming home. I was having none of that, so I made a game plan. Geese can be very aggressive, so step 1, don't go out when it's dark. You can't find the geese, and slowly before you know it, they will have you surrounded. Don't go out to make food. Even though you will be tempted and you will be hungry, just eat the 2 nature bars you have and a little piece of cake. I'm sure they want to come for that cake. Especially Daddy Goose. Oh my god. I definitely heard a goose. It's 7:20. Look how beautiful it is. That was one of the scariest nights of my life. Good, it only lasted 13 and a half hours. It's 7:15 in the morning. And the geese have been awake, well, all night pretty much. But I've been able to sleep through some of it, I guess. Let's see how many geese there are. Okay, I can't see any. So that's nice. Boat's still semi-deflated. So now that we are awake, let's check out the island. So this was where I slept. Pretty nice. On the banks. Seaside view, even though it was totally dark. It's like pure beach heaven for them. So, first thing we have to do is breakfast. I think that was time. It's looking pretty good, I have to say. First step, coffee. Then for the porridge and the oatmeal protein porridge. Most definitely warm, so that's nice. Just gotta let it sit for a little bit. Oh, we need to check on the coffee. The coffee should be done now. Oh, it looks weak. Okay, I'm gonna taste it first. I mean, it feels room temperature, but if it's too weak, I'm just gonna put it on the fire again. What? It tastes good. It's just cold. Oh, there they are, my birds, Miley and Cyrus. We have a 3-hour timeline. 3 birdhouses, 3 hours, should be able to be done. So this is gonna be Miley and Cyrus's first home. Pretty exciting. Because we need a home first, so they can see the sunrise. The new home. Of course, they need some food as well. Maybe it's easiest. It'll be the best home ever. They have plenty of food. And the view. Just living happily ever after. And then extra bird food. It's kind of slimy. Oh, it is so slimy. You know, I thought it's not nice to eat at home all the time. We'll take this some other way. It's nice to eat out, but be close to home. I'm thinking of going over here to this one. Food. Right in front of me the whole time. The perfect spot. And a home for Yoda. Because the home looks like baby Yoda. And he'll grow up to Yoda and old Yoda. So now we just need some food for Yoda. And we still have one surprise for them, the beach house. Wow, this is for Kelly and Lane. That's the door. Whoa. Here we go. Ball first. And of course, like everyone else, they have an address. Now I'm sure they can read that. So now we're just boiling some water for the caponata. Rip the top, put halfway. Not that warm yet. I thought it was a pretty good time to take some notes. Not a lot of distractions around here. And definitely some peace and quiet. Especially after the geese. Looks pretty good. But to be honest, it tastes pretty good. Okay, it's not the noodles that are crunchy. It's the vegetables, I think. Okay. There's somebody filming us. The next step, I have to pack up. Yep, that's the next step. As I was packing up, I couldn't help but think, can I really go home in this boat? And I almost forgot coconut ball. I never knew what this was for the gas. It looks like a tea sieve. If you know, comment below. I have no clue, absolutely. Now we just have to test if the boat can still float. There was a guy that went by on a motorboat, and I tried to yell for help, but he didn't hear me, so let's paddle. All right, we're all packed up and ready to go. We're gonna try and make it out by ourselves first. No worries. We'll do this. I found out the water gets into my boat and I didn't got this. I think I see someone over there that can help me. Over there. Oh my god, I think he's coming. Or she. I hope they see me. I think they see me. I mean, how can you not? I'm in this orange vest. I think they're coming. At least there are 3 people. So it's been half an hour and I try to whistle and wave the orange vest around, but the people I thought would get here, they did not. Maybe somebody else, let's see. Oh, somebody found me. Hi. Hi, super. Let me just take a moment here and say I'm so thankful that Jesper got me. I mean, no way my boat would have gone through the ice there. Rubber on ice? Are you crazy?
Det kan være. Hej.
We made it. I can't believe it. We made it to land, all because of Jesper. That was one special trip. You know, for most of my life, I didn't think I was a nature person. But you know what? Maybe I am. Sometimes I just gotta get out of my head and just do instead. And then maybe at some point, a bird will come to my house. Maybe.